Can you believe this 1996 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible has just 9,000 miles? It's a beautiful car, and that's right, 9,000 miles. It's almost new. Already quite on the exterior, light beige interior, and has a beautiful white convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find a 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission and posi rear end. Now, factory features include the dual power sports seats, electronic climate control, Bose Gold AM FM CD cassette stereo, has performance axle ratio, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors. It has tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and of course it's loaded with options. This 1996 Corvette Convertible shows, as we said, just 9,057 miles, and it's in very nice condition inside and out. The car's paint is in very good, has a stunning shine, and the convertible top is in very good condition, as you can see as well. Now, if you want to see more detailed photos and get the pricing on this car, just click the link down below this video. It'll take you to all of that information. So as we said, the convertible top is very good, and the window sweeps and all other weather stripping are very good as well. And those factory wheels, well, they are very good to excellent condition. The interior of this 1996 Corvette Convertible shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, excellent steering wheel and door panels, and brand new center console shift plate. You see that here in the video. You may not see it in your actual photos. The only addition to this car appears to be clear door sill covers. This car features a corrosion-free subframe. Remember, all of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net, so give us a call today and you can have this in your driveway less expensively than you can even imagine. We ship nationwide every week. And best of all, you can purchase online, extremely easy, and we make that so, and we make it so you can do it with a great deal of confidence. Again, we're buyavette.net. Give one of our sales representatives a call here at 770-414-5552. And when you do, they'll help you with this car in any way they can. And again, shipping, no problem whatsoever. So give us a call, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do that, hit the notification button and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. If you're passing through Atlanta or you live nearby, be sure to stop in and see us. We're easy to get to. And if not, remember, buying online, you can do it with confidence. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.